Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, TheLiveEngineers. In today's video, we are going to build one awesome animated login form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This form includes a smooth floating label effect and a sleek UI like this. So let's begin with the project. First, we need to create one index.html, a style.css and a script.js file inside our file directory. Then in the HTML file, we need to give this exclamation mark, rename the title, and give a content and open it with the live server to see the live page. Now first we need to create one div with the class name of container, inside it one h1 with the name of please login. Then we will create one form, inside it the action will be blank, and then again inside we will create one div with the class name of form control, inside it again one input with the type of text and it will be required. Then label for the email and write the content as email. Then copy this form control and paste it for the password and change the type as password and the content as password. Now outside this form control div, create one button with the class name of btn and give content as login. Then create one paragraph which says don't have an account or registered. So that's it about our HTML structure. We are done with it. Now we will begin with the styling. So first give this general structure of margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing border box. Then link the style file to our HTML structure. So it is connected. Now let's begin with the styling. First select the body tag and give background color of a steel blue, color of white, font family of cursive, display flex, line item center, justify content center, height of 100 vh, width of 100% and overflow hidden. So now the content is in center of the page. Next we will select this dot container class and we will give one background color of a RGBA. Then padding of 20 pixel, 40 pixel, border radius of some pixel, that is 5 pixel. So you can see this border. Now we will select this container and inside it h1 we will give text line at center, margin bottom as 30 pixel. Then we will select this anchor tag inside of this container and we will say text decoration of none. So this color will remove and color of white. And we will select this .btn and we will say cursor of pointer, display of inline block, width of 100%, background of light blue and padding of 15 pixel. Also font family we will inherit from the body and font size of 16 pixel, border of 0, border radius of 5 pixel. So you can see it's looking great. Next we will set this button on focus. We will say outline will be 0 and when the button is active, that is dot button dot active, transform scale it 0.90, means it will get a little bit bigger. Now let's select this dot text. Okay, so we will say margin top has 30 pixel. So you can see it has taken some space. Now we will select this form control, this form control class, and we will give a styling as position as relative, margin of 20 pixel, 0 and 40 pixel, width of 300 pixel. Now select this input class inside this form control and give background color of a transparent, border of 0 and a border bottom of 2 pixel white solid, so it will look better. Display of block, width of 100% and a padding of 15 pixel and 0, font size of 18 pixel, color of white and a position of relative, as well as z index of 100, so it will be on the top. Now you can see it. Now let's select this input field when it focus in form control and also when it is valid. We will give outline as none, border bottom color as something like light blue. Now let's select this label inside of this form control where we have written email and password. Give position as absolute, top of 15 pixel and the left of 0, pointer events will be none. Now let's select this span inside this label and inside this form control, display of inline block, font size of 18 pixel, min width of 5 pixel, transition of 0.3 second, cubic bezier and angles of it. You will make a smooth animation of it. Now let's select when the input field is focus and the label span and form control as well as the when input is valid inside this label span. Color of light blue, transform of translate by minus 30 pixel. So now we are done with our styling also. You can see it is looking great. Now let's add the functionality inside it using the JavaScript. First link the JavaScript file in our HTML body using the script and inside it src. First we need to select all the elements in our HTML page. So first we will say const labels is equal to document.query selector all. Inside it we will give this class name dot form control and we will target the label. Then we need to perform for each method on this labels. We'll say labels dot for each label and the arrow function label dot inner HTML is equal to label dot inner text dot split by the space, that is it will change it by comma. Dot map, inside it we will give letter and one id. We will use this arrow function and we will create one span tag in this HTML and we will give a styling of transition delay of idx into 550 millisecond, and we will write the content inside it as the dollar we'll use for the thing and give this letter which we have selected. And that's all for the JavaScript as well, but there seem to be some error, it's not working. Okay, so we need to remove this space and use this backticks here. So yeah, you can see it is working correctly. So here we have it, a modern animated login form with floating labels using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome web development tutorial. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.